Hey, Ragsib, if you haven't heard of Soulflare Wallet, let me introduce you to something that's truly reshaping how we use crypto in daily life. Soulflare isn't just about NFTs or trading. It's about spending your crypto like real money. Imagine buying coffee, groceries, or shopping online.
Oh my god! Wow!
It's all your digital assets. And that's exactly what the Soulflare card enables. It's not just wallet, it's a whole crypto-powered debit card that works just like your regular Visa or MasterCard. In the past, using crypto for everyday purchases was slow and inconvenient, but with the help of Soulflare card, the frustration is over. It's seamless, real-time, and incredibly user-friendly. What makes Soulflare stand out? Instant conversion of your Sol and other tokens, ultra low fees thanks to the Lightning Fast Solana network, full integration with the Solplayer app giving you total control over your funds. I personally dealt with traditional banks for years and paid fees just to access my own money. Solplayer flips the script. It's fast, borderless, and future ready. Should ever thought I wish I could use all my crypto. Now it's your chance. Join the wallet list and download the Solflare app today. You won't never regret it.